trial attorney Holly Davis. And Holly, at this point, again, we know it's an affirmative defense. She has the burden to prove by a preponderance of the evidence that she did in fact fear for her life to carry forward with this self-defense claim. Do you think she's met that burden?
No, I don't. This is where she's lost me. I've lost this case. I don't understand why she's in that toilet closet. If you truly stab someone because they're smothering you, you understand you've stabbed them and then you get out of the situation. The fact that at this point she's been there for 15 minutes, and her attorney's leading her pretty heavily through this part of the testimony, Michael, and I think that that indicates to me a lack of trustworthiness. If your lawyer has to tell the story about how scared you were and whether or not you heard his voice 15 minutes after you stabbed him, I think that that's the problem between this attorney and the witness on the stand. And so we haven't even gotten into the rest of the 12 hours or 11 hours that she failed to act. But in this first 15 minutes, I'm not buying it, so no.
I have to agree. This seems more rehearsed than the other parts of her testimony. I don't know if the jury, of course, is picking that up, but that's certainly something that I noticed as well. And just want to check in with you on the next 11 hours. I think, as I said earlier, this is the most important part of her testimony. She seems of sound mind. I thought maybe they might say she was in shock or something. She seems in sound mind.
She does, but let's watch. Like, I think your audience needs to view the next few bits of this testimony to see how emotional and defensive does she get. She's already talked about the phone being camouflaged on a black jacket. Why would she even mention that? She's trying to justify how long it took her to call 911. The fact that she threw in the phrase heart attack, I don't believe. There's no way you stab someone because you're about to be smothered and then think they die of a heart attack. This is where it's going to fall apart, I predict.
Yeah, that's jumped out at me as well. All right, Holly, thank you so much for joining me this evening. Truly appreciate your presence and your insights. We'll have you back on the show again soon.
Looking forward to it, Michael. Thank you.
All right, we'll see you soon.